It's like going up to a stranger and saying, "Hey, how are you? My name is Timmy." And then you literally say, "Hi, John." You know, they just told you their name is Timmy. Why are you calling them John? For today's Daily Sauce, prior to a call and we're researching who this person is, what we look for is, number one, what is it that they do? What are they specializing in? What are they like experts at? If we can't find it, and we actually take a look at their profile, we read their bio, we look at their website, we take a look at other platforms, maybe their Facebook, their Instagram, and their LinkedIn. If we can't find it, then maybe they don't know. And that's where we can help out a lot of people. But also the people that are clear, intentional, and focused about what it is that they're offering into the world, and they're clearly stating it, make sure that you know how to address that on the call. It's so important. It's like going up to a stranger and saying, "Hey, how are you? My name is Timmy." And then you literally say, "Hi, John." You know, they just told you their name is Timmy. Why are you calling them John? So just be aware of like what's out there. Don't make your stuff robotic, because at the end of the day, robots don't really have feelings, right? People are emotional beings, and they're able to really connect with you in a deeper way if they actually feel that you care.
As a person getting on a call, wouldn't you like to know that the person actually cared about you enough to actually research you, or take a look at what's going on with your business? So it's very important to show them in those times that you're different than all the other calls that they get, probably, or those messages that they get, and show them that you're very interested in helping them and you understand all the things that they have going on within their business or within their life at the moment. Do your research as far as on Google or Instagram, Facebook, or LinkedIn on a specific person that you have an appointment with, so you have that understanding going into your call.